So apparently Pizza Hut has pizza melts, and everybody's getting wet and happy, and I feel a little bit left out, so I figured I'd try it. This is the meat lover's melt. Oh, I see what you're doing. I got you. You taco-looking quesadilla wannabe folded stuffed pizza, but we're gonna call this a melt, guys. Looking at no. Put some sauce in this bitch. The worst marinara sauce in the game. This is the buffalo chicken melt. That chicken is mid at motherfucking best. Put some ranch on this bitch. Daddy's not impressed with this one. Would you bathe this in buffalo sauce, bitch? These are okay, just not worth the hype.